Amazon has increasingly integrated robots into its warehouses, creating a mixed workforce where humans and machines work side by side. While these autonomous robots have brought significant efficiencies, they remain limited in their ability to fully replicate the capabilities of human workers. Tasks like sorting, loading, and unloading packages are handled with impressive speed by robotic systems. But there are still areas where humans outperform their mechanical counterparts. For instance, Amazon's robotic arm, Sparrow, has made strides in top picking, lifting items from the tops of storage containers and handling millions of items with varying shapes and sizes. However, it struggles with more intricate tasks like targeted picking, where items are buried beneath others and require a nuanced approach. This is something human workers can handle with ease, but for robots, it's a challenge that demands significant technological breakthroughs. We also saw in the Web Summit event where Agility Robotics CEO had this to say when asked between humans and the robot, who takes a lot of breaks during work.
So I need to rest every night. I need a lunch break. Digit needs to recharge. Who spends more time working, the Knicks or the robots?
So right now, it's probably humans can go longer on a single charge, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Right now, we have a charge ratio of about 4 to 1. So you could think about 4 minutes of work to 1 minute of charge.
Oh.
It's not bad, but we're moving to 10 to 1. That gives facilities managers much longer periods of time for Digit to work. And then Digit, it also has the ability to plug itself in. So it knows when its battery's low, it goes and plugs itself in and recharges.
So do I. Let's bring Digit out on
you want
the
to meet
stage.
Digit?
Yeah, I would love to meet Digit. Do you guys want to meet Digit? I think they want to meet Digit. Yeah. Yes, they want to meet Digit. Okay, let's bring Digit. Hello, Digit. Can you please come on the stage? Here, Digit. Digit.
You're calling Digit.
Here we go. Oh, look at Digit.
Digit's very cute.
You see?
Lovely teal color. Digit's about 5'9".
Despite these limitations, Amazon has heavily embraced automation, with over 750,000 robots now operating in its facilities alongside 1.55 million human employees. But with such a large number of robots on their floor, it means if a human worker quits or retires, they might not be replaced by another human worker unless if their job is so crucial that no robot can do it. However, the growing reliance on robotics raises concerns for human workers. Warehouse jobs are already known for their grueling conditions and high turnover rates, and automation could exacerbate job insecurity. Many fear that as robots take over repetitive tasks, there may be fewer opportunities for human workers. Advocates for automation argue that replacing mundane tasks with robots will allow humans to focus on more meaningful work, but the reality often falls short of that vision. At one Amazon fulfillment center, for example, only 100 of the 2,500 employees were involved in overseeing the robotic systems, suggesting limited opportunities for those displaced by machines. It's no doubt automation offers undeniable efficiencies in some jobs. As of now, it is also a threat to human workers as technology progresses. The challenge for companies like Amazon will be to strike a balance between leveraging these advancements and supporting their human workforce, since it is humans who purchase products from them. And if you deny such people the ability to earn money, it means they won't have any money to buy your same products.